I've got the Ipsy Glow Up Mystery Bag. So if you want to see what's inside and see if it's worth your $34, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room and Bandit's right next to me. He's had a rough day. He was sick. He had to go to the vet this morning. Wouldn't eat, was like licking the floor. They think maybe he got into his stuff, so they gave him some special food. They did all kinds of blood work, really couldn't find much wrong with him. So he does like to get into the garbage, so we think he might have just gotten a little bit of a tummy ache, so we're hoping he's okay. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, beauty content, fashion content, collaborations, Dollar Tree hauls, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so this is the Ipsy Glow Up Mystery Bag. This is one of their new ones. It is $34 with a retail value, it says, of $171.50. So let's take a look at the bag design first. All right, very nice bag. It's great for travel. Definitely designed with travel in mind. It has the double zippers, which is nice. It has a little handle. All right, and I love the purple. Very well constructed, I would say. And then the inside is lined with purple, and it's got like a little bit of a padding in there, so great travel bag. Okay, so what do we have inside? First up, by Bisha, we have this blush duo. There's one cream and one powder in the shade Bahamas. And I know this because I got this in a previous mystery bundle. So this one's all sealed up. I'm going to show you mine, which is still in the box. This, I believe, when I looked it up before, was 45 or 55, but I'm thinking 55 was the price tag on this. So I'm not familiar with the brand. This is the only thing I've gotten in the exact same shade or duo shade. But so the cream one is here, and for $55 it's under like a piece of plastic. So for $55 we're looking at Natasha Denona level. There should be like a little plastic thing you can turn up, not just this little plastic paper. But I have not used it. Let's take a look. So here is the powder. So not, I mean, as dark as that looks, right there. I'm going to go in and even darken that up for you guys. All right, so that was a good three. See, it's just that flimsy. Now the cream, all right, I put that right here, and I took a nice swirl in, and I'm gonna have to go in 3 times. So while this looks really bright, I mean, you can see down here, it is very, very, and the great thing about a cream blush is that you can often also use it on your lips. So that would be a gorgeous color on the lips. Next, from PMD, we have the Smart Lip Plumping Serum. Now, PMD is a very pricey brand. Okay, here is how it looks. And it is clear. And I'm not really getting a scent from it. But I love a lip plumper, and I love a clear one because I really go very light on the lips for work, so a clear is great by me. And you can also just put like a little wash of color, a little gloss over it. And next, by Neen, we have their Glisten Up upside down in the shade By. So this is their lip gloss, and I've been excited to try this brand because I've seen it advertised and I'm like, I don't think I have anything by this brand. So excited to get this. Now this is super shiny. I love that. It's a very light pink, and it has just pretty sparkles in it. Now I'm going to guess that, yes, it looks like it's going to go on nude. Yep. With just that shimmer. Ooh, and that kind of smells like kind of cakey, almost like a little bit of a, I don't know, chocolate cake maybe? I don't know. All right, this next box is perplexing me. It is the Paul Mitchell Clean Beauty Color Depositing Treatment, but it says jade. So is this green? Do you guys know? Is this going to make my hair green? And let's see what it says on the back. Now, this is a vegan product, and Paul Mitchell's a great brand. A pioneer in cruelty-free hair care, it says, and made without gluten. It is also 97% natural origin and made with, or not made with, the container is 95% PCR aluminum. So I like all that, but I just don't know if I like the green piece of it. It's got like a little thing to poke a hole in it. Oh yeah, add green to your look. This color depositing treatment is infused with antioxidant-rich pomegranate extract, known to help prevent color fade from environmental exposure and free radical damage. Borage oil helps soften and nourish every strand. Product may cause staining of the hands, so use gloves. You're going to put it on clean, damp hair, leave it on 4 to 10 minutes, and rinse well. Okay, I'm not 100% sure that I am in for green. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. My niece has her hair dyed a very almost black in color, so it probably wouldn't show up on her. My daughter's hair is a brownish, and oftentimes these color depositing things don't show up on them. So I'll have to ask around and see if anybody I know would like green hair. All right, and last by Violet Voss is the Disco Drip Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, all right. Not what I was expecting. Actually pleasantly surprised. Lovely colors. It is in almost all shimmer. There's only one matte in this whole thing, and that's this one right here. But we do have some more neutral shades with some pops of color up here. So that's nice. I like that. Okay, I'm excited about this. So we have the eyeshadow palette. Green hair. It's fun, but I don't know about it. The gloss, super excited. The lip plumping serum, also excited. And the duplicate for me, and that is the blush, the Bahamas blush. But as you saw, it was not as bright as you would think. So what are your thoughts? On a scale of 1 to 5, because there are 5 products in here. Should we say 6? Should we go with the bag? Let's go with the bag. On a scale of 1 to 6. With 1 being you only like one product and 6 being every single product. What's your score down below? What do you rate this? All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.